Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to clear muddy pond water. First, assess your pond's current state to understand why it's muddy. Look for signs of erosion, excessive fish activity, or poor filtration. Then, consider the size of your pond and the type of aquatic life it supports. This initial assessment is crucial for choosing the most effective clearing methods. We'll cover both quick fixes and sustainable solutions. Muddy water often stems from erosion, where soil washes into your pond, or from fish like carp disturbing the bottom. To combat this naturally, consider adding aquatic plants such as water hyacinths or submerged grasses. These plants absorb excess nutrients and help stabilize sediments. Another effective natural method involves using barley straw bales, which release compounds that inhibit algae growth, leading to clearer water over time. For quicker results, chemical treatments like pond flocculants can be very effective. These products cause tiny suspended particles to clump together, settling to the bottom for easy removal. Additionally, investing in a good pond filtration system, including mechanical and biological filters, provides continuous water purification. Ensure your pond has adequate aeration, perhaps with an air pump, to support healthy bacteria that break down organic waste. Maintaining a clear pond long-term requires consistent effort. Implement erosion control measures, like planting vegetation around the banks, to prevent soil runoff. Manage your fish population to avoid overstocking, which can stir up sediments. Regularly test your water parameters to catch issues early and adjust treatments as needed. For more great tips and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, along with other fantastic deals, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Consistent maintenance is key to a beautiful, clear pond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.